Hi, my artist fellow friends. I am Chris Hart. I'm the author of many books for drawing cartoons and manga and animals and figure drawing and all sorts of stuff, but no cookbooks because I don't cook. I just eat at a local fast food store. No, just joking. Well, maybe I do. Anyway, today I'm going to show you how to draw an arm. I had somebody who said, draw an arm. And I said, oh yeah, I will. So here we go. It's going to be something that we're going to do step by step. Here is the face. We're going to have to get the position first because I'm going to have him holding his arm out in front. So this is the head. This is the eye right there. Here is the neck. Seventh vertebrae, that's that little knob right there. This is the scapula, which is a fancy way of saying shoulder blade. This is the Latissimus Dorsi, which is a fancy way of saying back. Who came up with these words? I mean, who came up with these words? Anyway, I'm going to bring this down a little further. Bring the jaw here, an ear, just get our placement. And then once we have that down, we will finish it up. Bring the forehead down a little more. And this is sort of tendinous area right here. Now, so let me bring this up and just do it simply first. Here is the trapezius muscle. This comes from like the neck area into the shoulder. And we'll go here. We'll have a wrist and we'll have his hands down this way. All right, so elbow comes here. Let's just plot the whole thing out. To draw through to find the chest area, which is right around here. Did you know that the sternum is right at the bottom of the scapula, the shoulder blade? Sternum is that bone, that hollow right under the chest. Yeah, you can find stuff like that out from my book, which is Figured Out Drawing Human Proportions. All right, so the shoulder comes here. And kind of winds up this way. And we're going to see the major muscles. All right, the major muscles we're going to bring out and show you how they go. I'm going to bring it out here a little further. Okay. So this is the deltoid. And it goes into the Latissimus Dorsi, this whole area right here. Now, after the elbow, there's an empty area right here, tendinous area. And this, more like this, because the outside area is higher up and breaks into two. The tricep breaks into two areas, like this. Then you have a big muscle right here that winds over the forearm. And the rest of them go pretty straight, but you still see the indentation of the bone down here. We'll bring this hand down a little bit, aim it down. That pinky is the smallest, of course. But we'll also bring that thumb area. Okay, so let's see it now and see if we can bring it together. Where is my trusty pen? There it is. All right. So we'll just go step by step and forehead, brow here. Nose. Ear here and bring it all the way back and make sure there's enough mass in the back of the head. Like so. And back here for the scapula, as we were showing. Bring it back in. Latissimus Dorsi. And this is the chest area, and comes back in here. This is the front. You have the rib muscles over this way. And here. Just to show a little of this. Bring the muscles up here for the trapezius, and this is a different muscle. This goes to the jaw. That's a big neck muscle right there. So we're just going to put a little shadow under this. And we're going to bring this one up here. Because you know the deltoid, this shoulder muscle, it goes down into the shoulder blade. So let's do the outside first, like this. So we can see all the different contours. Here's the elbow. A little uneven. The bottom tricep is a little longer than the top tricep. Like I said, it's broken into two. And there, well, I'll just put a little shadow under here, so you can just emphasize that that's the back of the hand. And there you go, some basic ideas on drawing the arm. Hope you like that. I have new videos every week. I hope you'll subscribe. Bye-bye.